Tirupatile Vivekananda Study Circle അഭിമുഖത്തിൽ തയ്യാറാക്കിയ മെമ്മോറാണ്ടം ഇപ്പോൾ ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം MP ശ്രീ ശശി തരൂർ സാറുടെ വിവേകാനന്ദ സ്റ്റഡി സർക്കിളിന്റെ പ്രസിഡന്റ് ശ്രീ രതീഷ് KS കൊടുക്കുന്നതാണ്. രതീഷ് KSനെയും തരൂർ സാറിനെയും ഇൻവൈറ്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊള്ളുന്നു. വിവേകാനന്ദ സ്റ്റഡി സർക്കിളിന്റെ അഭിമുഖത്തിൽ തയ്യാറാക്കിയ മെമ്മോറാണ്ടം ഇപ്പോൾ Vivekananda Study Circle President Sri Rajit
Use your common sense. They said, no, but even those few stoppages that were there, the people getting off at Karikutum are buying their tickets in Trivandrum Central and elsewhere online. They're not buying it in Karikutum, so why should we do this? I said, obviously, because if you can't buy tickets at Karikutum, it won't show you. I said, you try and create the stops and then see what happens. And it literally took me 9 months of sustained argument all the way up to the level of the chairman of the railway board to get those train stoppages. And as you all know, you all use these trains, and many of you have seen how many passengers getting on and buying tickets in Karikutum. And the next thing that I've suggested is that we need more stoppages, and indeed the Vivekananda Study Circle people have given me specific suggestions, and I want to tell you today I will take up these suggestions when I get back to Delhi. Second thing I want to do, which is not in the memorandum, is I also want to get the companies in Technopark together to offer some contributions for a PPP partnership with the railways. Because the railways always complain they don't have enough money. Let's improve Karikutum station through a collaborative effort. Let's get some private companies in Technopark, because it is basically your station. I even tried to get the station renamed Technopark, and they said, no, the people of Karikutum are attached to it. So I said, okay, call it Karikutum-Technopark. Even that was not acceptable to the state government, but I'm going to try and persist, because this is what it's all about. As you know, when phase 3 is completed, you'll have 75,000 people here in Technopark, and many of them will be wanting to use the trains. I think the station needs to be worthy of you, and it needs to be better than it is now, and I'm hoping that you will support me when I talk to your bosses and your colleagues about getting some PPP involvement. There are a number of other suggestions in the Vivekananda Study Circle letter, which I will certainly look at very closely and very sympathetically. On a quick glance, I don't see anything to disagree with, and I do see some things that I've already taken up, in some cases unsuccessfully, but we will return to the charge knowing that you're all behind this. A final word. I'm very pleased to be with all of you because, though it is not widely known, I'm